You have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere. But you lack the materials needed and always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. I mean, I'd be okay with that. I mean, isn't this pretty much how life already is? So it wouldn't change things very much. So yes, I will do it. "63% pressed the button and 37% did not." I mean, this doesn't change everyday life very much, really. So there's no reason not to press it, in my opinion. Plus, finding the materials might be fun. So, next. You get your dream job, but you get fired after 5 years and will never be hired by anyone ever. Yeah, no way. I mean, if I get my dream job, I want it to be permanent, you know? I don't want to be fired. At least not if it means not being hired ever again. That would just suck. So I will not. "33% pressed the button and 67% did not." Yeah, lots of people didn't go for that one. I would not want to be fired, especially not after only 5 years. That's a short time. Right, next. You die painfully, but you are considered a hero for eternity among all people. Yeah, I don't care about being a hero or anything like that, to be honest. Plus, who would want to die painfully? That's just horrible. I will not. Well, 61% of people actually press this one. Why would you choose to die painfully to become a hero? What are you accomplishing with that? Right, next. Have the ability to see what people will look like at an uncontrolled time in the future. But some may be dead and horribly decomposed. Yeah, no. I would not want to risk that. That is not something that I would want to see. And I don't care that much about what people look like in the future, or now really. So no, all of the nope. About 60% of people press this button. Why would you want to risk seeing dead and horribly decomposed people? I just do not understand that. That is messed up to heck. So, next. Whenever you die, you can rise from your ashes like a phoenix. But as soon as you rise, one person within 100 yards randomly combusts. Oh god. That sounds horrible. I would not want that. No. "67% of people pressed the button, and 33% did not." Yeah, that is not something that I would want. That just sounds like it would be horrible to see. Right, next. "You can read the minds of anyone you encounter, but every thought you have, you say out loud." Oh god, no. All of the nope. Nope, nope, nope. Only 20. Excuse me. Only 27% of people pressed the button, and 73% did not. Yeah, I would not want to look into people's minds anyway, because you don't know what you're gonna see or encounter. You might regret reading their mind, you know? So, next. "You can see through walls. You can see through walls, but you can never see walls at all, making navigating difficult." That's a hard one, actually. I mean, knowing me, I would probably be crashing into the walls like every 2 seconds, because I suck at navigating anyway, so I will not. "40% of people have pressed this button, and 60% did not." Yeah, I would not want to risk crashing into a wall like every time I got up or went to walk somewhere. Right, next. "Government fixed, but the party system declared unconstitutional. Everyone is an independent." Oh god. So instead of a party system, they're having a system where everyone represents themselves. I mean, I'd be curious to see how that would work out, to be honest. It might actually end up being a good idea. So yes, I'll do it. Yeah, 61% pressed the button, and 39% did not. I mean, it would definitely be interesting to see how the world would play out in this situation. Right, next. "Invent any high-tech you want and own it, but somebody else takes credit." So does that mean that they will also get the sales money from said products? Because that would suck. So in that situation, if someone else gets the money for this product being sold, then no, I will not. "62% of people press the button." It's understandable why they would though, because being able to invent and own anything you want sounds pretty cool. And 38% did not. Yeah, because it would suck if somebody else took the credit and the sales money. So next. You can get to any location in the world for free, but you'll always have to take the longest route there. I mean, I don't really see a downside to that one. I quite like travelling to places more than actually being in those places. So, yeah, I'll do it. %71% of people have pressed this button, while 29% did not. Yeah, I mean, often the travelling is more fun than the arriving. So I would definitely go for that one. Right, next. Every time you speak someone's full name, they'll be required to perform a favour for you. But you can only request a favour once from each person, and they'll be an enemy for the rest of your life. Yeah, no. That would be bad. I would not want that. %41% of people pressed the button, and 59% did not. Yeah, I would not want that. Having them become an enemy forever would just be horrible. So nope. Next. You get your life story made into a movie and become rich and famous, but the movie is directed by Ed Wood, and he makes you wear an Angora sweater the entire film. I mean, I don't know what an Angora sweater is, and I don't know who Ed Wood is, but this doesn't sound all that bad, really. When you get to become rich and famous. So, you know, the downside seems like a pretty small price to pay. So I'll do it. %63% of people have pressed this button, and 37% did not. Yeah, it really doesn't seem like that bad of a deal, really. I'd go for it. Right, next. You will be able to go to Hogwarts, but you can't have any electronic items like phones, computers, iPods, etc. I mean, who wouldn't want that? That just sounds amazing, to be honest. Like, going to Hogwarts is like a billion times better than just having electronics. It would be amazing to go there. Yes, I'll do it. Do it. 60% of people pressed the button, and 40% did not. I guess 40% really want the electronics. But Hogwarts, that would just be the most amazing thing ever. Why would you not want that? Right, next. Receive everlasting life and go to a perfect world with no suffering. But you will not remember any of those whom you loved or cared about. Dude, no. I would not want to forget everyone that I love. And everlasting life doesn't sound all that great anyway. So no, I will not. %43% of people have pressed this button, and 57% did not. Yeah, that is not something that I would want at all. It just sounds horrible. Right, next. You have the perfect body, but you have to drink blood to make it that way. Yeah, no. That is a big nope. All the nope. Nope, nope, nope. Why would you actually press this button? 61% of people would actually do this. Wow, that's insane. And 39% would not, which is good. Because that is messed up. Right, next. You will become social media famous and be incredibly good at your craft, but you'll have to live in a secluded area and never meet anyone. That one's actually kind of hard. I mean, on the one side, I do quite enjoy being by myself, but I don't know if I could do it forever. So I will not. %33% pressed the button, and 67% did not. Yeah, I don't know if I could live forever without ever meeting anyone. As much as I do like being by myself sometimes.